In this video, I will teach you how to get started with Shopify in just a few simple steps. And also, we'll discuss packages that Shopify offers. It's important to choose the plan that best suits your business. In this video, we'll discuss how to figure that out. After you've set up your Shopify store, you will see that there are a range of plans that you can choose from. And those plans are Lite for $9 per month, Basic for $29 per month, Professional for $79 per month, Unlimited for $179 per month, and Shopify Plus that begins at $995 per month. If you're uncertain which one is right for your business, I would suggest that you choose the basic plan to start out with. The Lite plan doesn't include many options at all. It only allows you to sell your product through social media pages, which means you won't have your own store on Shopify. Beyond that, as you might guess, the more expensive the plan, the more features that you get. This slide shows the plans that you'll most likely choose from and what features they offer. However, if you really are not certain, feel free to choose the starter plan, which will only cost you $14 per month.